Bill, the clothes washer, it's doing it again. Fix it.
Our 2003 Alfa See Ya Motorhome came with a Splendide WD2000 S washer dryer. A month ago we did a video on maintenance tips for this machine, and while that fixed the problem it had then, another problem popped up that the simple fix didn't work on. So now it's time to take the washer out of the cabinet and diagnose the problem, because the parts of the machine that I need to access are under the top of the machine. When our motorhome was built, they mounted the washer dryer halfway up in the cabinet. While the location is nice for using the machine, it doesn't help when you need to work on it. Everything is blocked by the cabinet. The first thing is to remove the angle bracket that anchors the machine to the cabinet. This was under a shelf above the machine. 2 screws and the machine was free to move. But the cabinet had some trim blocking the machine. It was held on by screws in the framing that held the shelf up. Next, I used a camera to see what was behind the machine. The drain hose goes into the drain pipe, but the rest all pass through the shelf that the machine rests on. So next I had to pull the drawers from below the machine and see what was there. These have levers on the sides that make it quite simple to remove the drawer. But like anything mechanical, sometimes they get stuck, but with a little work they just come right out. This is also a good time to clean up the dust and debris from under the drawers. Now I can unplug the machine and close the valves to the water lines. Disconnect the hoses using pliers to reach the hose ends. Cut the zip ties on the hoses. Then, with everything disconnected, Sherry and I could lift the machine down out of the cabinet onto a bucket. This made it easier to get into position to lift the machine down to the floor. This machine is not light. I estimate it weighs about 150 pounds. With the machine out of the cabinet, I pulled the hoses and cable out, and then I could access the top of the machine. Our next video will be on diagnosing the machine and what parts we'll need to replace to get it fully up and running.
Thanks for watching our video. If you like what you see, press the like button below and subscribe. And also check out our other videos.